Hi friends, welcome. In this video we are going to solve the problem of Bezier curve. Here friends, this is the question. The question is a cubic Bezier curve is defined by the control points as these are the points and find the equation of the curve and its midpoint. We have to find equation of the curve and midpoint here in this question. Here friends, given, let's write the given data. Here P0 is 20, 20, P1 is 60, 80 and P2 is 120, 100 and P3 is 150, 30 here. Now here friends, the parametric equation for the Bezier curve, which is general equation we have written here. This is the general parametric equation of the Bezier curve for 0 is less than or is equal to u is less than or is equal to 1. Here friends, see, we have n is equal to, see here, n is equal to 3, this one, and so the degree of polynomial for this question is 3, and we have control points here, that is n plus 1, that is here in this case 4. So here friends, this general equation becomes as pu is equal to p0 into bracket 1 minus u raise cube, that is our n, that is our degree of polynomial here, and here also friends, as you can see, n degree of polynomial comma 1 p1 u into bracket 1 minus u the whole square, and here also n degree of polynomial p2 u square into bracket 1 minus u, and here plus p3 u cube for 0 is less than or is equal to u is less than or is equal to 1. Here friends, we first find the value of c and this one. Here friends, this is a general formula for c n comma I is equal to n factorial upon I factorial into bracket n minus I factorial. Here friends, let's put the value. First here n is equal to 3 and I is equal to 1 for this one. After putting the value, we got here answer as 3. Here the second is for this one, c for this c 3 comma 2, we got the answer 3. Then after that we will put the values in this equation, which we have given the name as a. So after putting the value in equation number a, we got this equation. Here we have put the value of c, this one and this one, and we rewrite this equation number a and given the name as equation b. Now let's find the equation for x coordinates. For that purpose we need here the x coordinates of each points, that is these points we need, and we put the all values of x coordinates of our given points in equation number b. After putting the value, we got here this equation, and after simplifying the equation, we got px of u is this one, and we have given the name as it c. The next, similarly friends, we will find the equation for y coordinates, and after putting the value in our b equation, we got this equation, which we have given the name as d here, and from equation number c and d we got the parametric equations for Bezier curves. These equations c and d, that is these two equations, this one and this one, are the parametric equations for Bezier curve. This is our answer. We have rewritten those equations here. Now friends, let's find the coordinates of the midpoint of the curve. Here friends, we have to find the coordinates of the midpoint of the curve. So here u is equal to 0.5. We will put u is equal to 0.5 in equation, in our parametric equation for Bezier curves, that is this one, these two equations. After putting the value of u in those equations, we got first here this one 88.75 for px of 0.5. Now after we will put the value of u in equation number py of u, that is this one. After putting the value, we got the value here py of 0.5 is 73.75, and these two are the coordinates of the midpoint of the curve. So here midpoints of the curve are 88.75 and 88.75 comma 73.75. This is the answer. So we have learned here how to solve the problem on Bezier curve. Thank you friends for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.